Hello there, lovely ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this amazing video. You're watching best braided hairstyles for black women. Right here you'll find 2025 braided cornrow hair ideas to give you wonderful and amazing inspiration. We have a lot of amazing stitch braided hairstyles right here, cornrowed, to give you a unique and standout look. This is a wonderful collection that is at least or at most 150 picture slides for you to pick wonderful styles from. And of course, it's all about you finding that wonderful style and rocking the look the best way you can. A lot of amazing and unique hairstyles right here. A bit lengthy a video, but it's all about you knowing that these styles exist and going out there and trying it out yourself. Don't forget also that we have a wonderful collections of playlists right here to help guide you rightly. If there's anything in particular you may want to see, you are in the right place. We also have natural hairstyles within our playlist. We have hairstyles for little girls within our playlist if you're a mother. And we have a lot of amazing and unique styles of hairstyles, especially the dreadlocks hairstyle look. If you wear dreads as well, or if you have someone that, or you know someone that actually wears a look like that. So many unique and amazing hairstyles right here to encourage you into styling your hair the best way you can. So do well to leave us a like and share your thoughts, as well as get subscribed, especially as a first timer. With your help we have grown to this level, and we hope with your help also we'll grow to a higher level. Thank you so very much. It's a December time where you need to stand out and look amazing, and we are here to guide you in the right way. We do have an ebook right now, something for you that have a skill to market or to share with people and also make a side income for yourself, especially if you're looking for extra income, or probably you're unemployed now, out of job. You're surely going to find that ebook helpful. You get to market your skill and get paid for it. As you do it in the long time or in the long run, you surely find it to be a very great way to make money online. You can also find our storefront helpful. We have a storefront right now attached to this channel right here. It's open. The previous one we had wasn't really very convincing, but right now we do have one that is very convincing from a trusted store. Yeah, we're talking about Amazon. We now have our Amazon store open and running, and you can find a lot of products such as hair extensions, hair products, and hair care products. You can also find some kind of accessories for your hair, as well as nighttime routine hair care products and care materials. It all depends on what you're looking for, but it's really bulky right now, and you can just go there and shop. So do well to always come back for more right here on our channel. Keep telling us and letting us know what you think and how you feel about our videos. Keep it with us here always. You take care and bye.